this events, meet me outside. I be stacking, I be clipping, I be getting shit.
Hey pretty! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Nikki. Today I'm here to show you guys how I made the beautiful MINAA MONROE MyKanos vacation jumper. I love it. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get right into the video.
Welcome back pretty. I've already laid out all of the materials that I will be using today, and I would like to note that I am a freehand cutter and I don't use patterns, but I had a old tight and I cut it out into this pattern, and you can use this step as well to make this pants. Here I am cutting ×2 on fold, and you will repeat this process for the back part of the pants. Moving on to the top, if you have a tank top, you can use that as an outline for a square shape. And I measured at 11 inches for my bust, and then I cut a cordon. Below the bust, I measured at 28 inches, and then I cut. Now I am going to cut out the back part of the top, and all I am doing is cut it into a square and then shape it into a slight scoop at the back. There we have it. Next, I will be cutting out my straps, and I measure my straps at 14 inches in length and 1.5 inches in width. I will now be using the patterns that I've already cut to cut out all of my linings and also the back. For the lining, I cut it into a shorts lining, but I decided later on to make it longer to the floor, so I went ahead and add some more piece to it off camera. Now that we are done cutting out all of our pattern pieces, I will now use pins to pin in place the crotch and the backs and the sides to attach. Now that I'm done with pinning, I'm going to move to my single stitch machine, and I'm going to stitch all of the crotch interfaced together. As I go, you will see that I finish the edges on my serger, and I double stitch for security. If you are enjoying this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps a lot. Now I will be repeating the steps to sew the linings together. And I also add the elastics on the interface on the inside of the top. Now that I am done, it is time for me to connect the bottom of the pants to the top at the waist. And I stitch all the way around and finished on the serger before adding my elastic. Also hemming the legs of the pants. Now that we're done adding the elastic, we're gonna move on to showing you the final look. Hope you love it.
If she got a problem, then she just meet me outside. I be stacking, I be flipping, I be getting shit. Ain't no capping, I be rapping, I mean killing shit. I'm the hottest in my city, and you know it, baby. Who gon' check me, get up at me, and you must be crazy.